Hello everyone. In this video we will start and discuss questions on microminerals. 1. Iron is essential for the formation of which crucial blood component? A. White blood cells. B. Plasma. C. Hemoglobin. D. Platelets. Answer. C. Hemoglobin. 2. A deficiency in iron commonly leads to A. Goiter. B. Osteoporosis. C. Anemia, fatigue, weakness. D. Rickets. Answer. C. Anemia. 3. In plants, iron is involved in A. Pollen germination. B. Water splitting during photosynthesis. C. Activating respiration enzymes. D. Closing stomata. Answer. B. Water splitting during photosynthesis. 4. Iron absorption can be affected by interactions with which other mineral? A. Potassium. B. Calcium. C. Zinc. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 5. Zinc is an essential mineral for which bodily function? A. Blood clotting. B. Boosting the immune system and skin health. C. Energy production. D. Bone strength. Answer. B. Boosting the immune system and skin health. 6. Copper is an essential cofactor for several enzymes involved in which physiological process? A. Bone formation only. B. Nerve impulse transmission only. C. Energy production and iron metabolism. D. Fluid balance. Answer. C. Energy production and iron metabolism. 7. A genetic disorder that causes the accumulation of copper in the liver and brain is known as A. Menkes disease. B. Anemia. C. Wilson disease. D. Goiter. Answer. C. Wilson disease. 8. The deficiency of which micromineral, along with iron and iodine, was found to be a major health issue at the 1990 World Summit for Children? A. Zinc. B. Copper. C. Selenium. D. Vitamin A. Answer. D. Vitamin A. 9. Copper plays a crucial role in the formation of A. Bones and teeth. B. Red blood cells. C. Nerve impulses. D. Muscle contraction. Answer. B. Red blood cells. 10. Which of the following minerals, along with vitamin E, acts as an antioxidant protecting cells from oxidative damage? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Calcium. D. Selenium. Answer. D. Selenium. 11. Selenium is an essential component of which antioxidant enzyme? A. Superoxide dismutase. B. Catalase. C. Glutathione peroxidase. D. Monoamine oxidase. Answer. C. Glutathione peroxidase. 12. Which mineral controls growth and body weight through its role in thyroid hormone production? A. Iodine. B. Calcium. C. Phosphorus. D. Iron. Answer. A. Iodine. 13. Which of the following best describes manganese, Mn, in the human body? A. It is a macromineral required in large quantities. B. It is a major vitamin essential for bone growth. C. It is a micromineral, trace element, required in very small amounts, less than 100 mg per day. D. It is not an essential nutrient for humans. Answer. C. It is a micromineral, trace element, required in very small amounts, less than 100 mg per day. 14. Which of the following is a primary function of manganese in the human body? A. Oxygen transport in the blood. B. Formation of red blood cells, hemoglobin synthesis. C. Acting as a cofactor for several enzymes involved in metabolism, amino acid, carbohydrate, cholesterol. D. Regulation of blood pressure and fluid balance. Answer. C. Acting as a cofactor for several enzymes involved in metabolism, amino acid, carbohydrate, cholesterol. 15. Manganese works in conjunction with which vitamin to play a role in blood clotting and hemostasis? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin B12. Answer. C. Vitamin K. 16. Toxicity from manganese is rare from dietary intake alone, but can be a risk for industrial workers who inhale excessive amounts of manganese dust. Which organ is primarily affected by high levels of manganese toxicity? A. Kidneys. B. Lungs. C. Brain. D. Heart. Answer. C. Brain. 17. Manganese is involved in various processes in the human body, including bone formation and immune response. Through which primary mechanism does it perform these diverse roles? A. Directly providing structural components to tissues. B. Acting as an essential cofactor in numerous enzymatic reactions. C. Regulating gene expression directly. D. Transporting other essential minerals like iron. Answer. B. Acting as an essential cofactor in numerous enzymatic reactions. 18. Iodine is used in food tests to detect the presence of A. Proteins. B. Fats. C. Starch. D. Vitamins. Answer. C. Starch. Iodine turns blue-black in the presence of starch. 19. Iodine deficiency in the diet primarily causes A. Anemia. B. Goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland. C. Night blindness. D. Scurvy. Answer. B. Goiter. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production. 20. The purple-colored solution of iodine in alcohol and water is known as A. Lugol's solution. B. Tincture of iodine. C. Iodine tincture. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 21. Which of the following is a major natural source of dietary iodine? A. Citrus fruits. B. Dairy products. C. Seafood, example seaweed, fish, oysters. D. Whole grains. Answer. C. Seafood, seaweed, fish, kelp, shrimp are rich in iodine. 22. Iodine is crucial for the synthesis of which important hormone? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Thyroxine. D. Estrogen. Answer. C. Thyroxine, produced by the thyroid gland. 23. What property of iodine makes it an effective antiseptic for skin disinfection? A. Its ability to bind to fats. B. Its strong sweet taste. C. Its oxidizing action on microbial proteins and nucleic acids. D. Its ability to form strong bonds with skin cells. Answer. C. Its oxidizing action on microbial proteins and nucleic acids. 24. What is the primary function of chromium in the body? A. Hemoglobin formation. B. Bone and teeth formation. C. Regulation of blood sugar levels or glucose uptake. D. Synthesis of thyroid hormones. Answer. C. Regulation of blood sugar levels or glucose uptake. 25. The deficiency of which mineral can lead to goiter, enlarged thyroid gland? A. Iron. B. Chromium. C. Iodine. D. Selenium. Answer. C. Iodine. 26. Which micromineral acts as an antioxidant and helps maintain immune system health? A. Iron. B. Selenium. C. Copper. D. Manganese. Answer. B. Selenium. 27. Molybdenum helps the body break down drugs and toxic substances. This function is due to its role as a component of which enzyme system? A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Molybdenum hydroxylases. D. Hemoglobin. Answer. C. Molybdenum hydroxylases. 28. Rich food sources of molybdenum include A. Fruits and vegetables. B. Milk and milk products, dried legumes, and organ meats. C. Processed snacks. D. Seafood and poultry. Answer. B. Milk and milk products, dried legumes, and organ meats. 29. Fluoride is primarily known for its role in the health of which body part? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Teeth. D. Kidneys. Answer. C. Teeth. 30. Which of the following describes how fluoride inhibits dental caries, cavity formation? A. By increasing acid solubility of the enamel. B. By promoting bacterial growth. C. By decreasing acid solubility of the enamel and inhibiting bacterial growth. D. By increasing sugar content in the mouth. Answer. C. By decreasing acid solubility of the enamel and inhibiting bacterial growth. 31. A deficiency of iodine can cause goiter. What condition is caused by the toxicity, excess of fluoride? A. Anemia. B. Osteoporosis. C. Fluorosis. D. Rickets. Answer. C. Fluorosis. 32. Which of these is a common source of dietary fluoride? A. Dairy products. B. Fluoridated water. C. Vegetable oils. D. Red meat. Answer. B. Fluoridated water. 33. Which of the following vitamins contains cobalt as a central atom in its structure? A. Vitamin B1. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B12. D. Vitamin D. Answer. C. Vitamin B12. 34. What is the primary function of cobalt in the human body? A. Bone formation. B. Oxygen transport. C. Component of vitamin B12 coenzymes, cobalamins. D. Regulating acid-base balance. Answer. C. Component of vitamin B12 coenzymes, cobalamins. 35. Deficiency of vitamin B12, which involves cobalt, can lead to disturbances in the function of which bodily system? A. Skeletal system. B. Nervous system. C. Circulatory system, specifically red blood cell development. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 36. Which of the following is an example of a good dietary source of cobalt? A. White rice. B. Apples. C. Liver and kidney meat. D. Cooking oil. Answer. C. Liver and kidney meat. 37. Boron is primarily known for its beneficial effects on which human physiological system? A. Circulatory system. B. Respiratory system. C. Skeletal system, bones. D. Immune system. Answer. C. Skeletal system, bones. 38. Boron supplementation has been shown in some studies to significantly increase serum levels of which hormone in postmenopausal women and healthy males? A. Insulin. B. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. C. Estrogen and testosterone. D. Cortisol. Answer. C. Estrogen and testosterone. 39. Epidemiological studies have found an inverse association between dietary boron intake and the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly A. Colon and stomach cancer. B. Breast and ovarian cancer. C. Prostate and lung cancer. D. Skin and pancreatic cancer. Answer. C. Prostate and lung cancer. 40. High doses of boron, above the safe upper limit of 20 mg per day for adults, can be toxic. Which of the following is a symptom of acute boron toxicity? A. Improved cognitive function. B. Reduced inflammation. C. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. D. Increased bone density. Answer. C. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. 41. The primary dietary sources of boron are typically A. Meat and dairy products. B. Processed snacks and fast food. C. Plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. D. Seafood and marine products. Answer. C. Plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. 42. In humans, silicon is classified as a trace element, micromineral, because A. It is required in large amounts for energy. B. It is toxic in any quantity. C. It is needed in small amounts for health, particularly for connective tissues and bones. D. It is not required at all. Answer. C. It is needed in small amounts for health, particularly for connective tissues and bones. 43. Which of the following is a rich dietary source of silicon? A. Meat. B. Dairy products. C. Beer and bananas. D. Processed sugar. Answer. C. Beer and bananas. 44. Silicon deficiency in animals has been associated with A. Anemia. B. Goiter. C. Bone deformities. D. Blindness. Answer. C. Bone deformities. 45. Which form of silicon has the highest absorption rate in human studies? A. Colloidal silica. B. Monomethyl silinitrile, MMST. C. Solid sand. D. Silica gel. Answer. B. Monomethyl silinitrile, MMST. 46. What is the suspected biological role of nickel in the human body? A. Component of hemoglobin. B. Cofactor for enzymes, example urease-like, and iron absorption, metabolism. C. Major component of bone structure. D. Regulation of calcium signaling. Answer. B. Cofactor for enzymes, example urease-like, and iron absorption, metabolism. 47. Which of the following food groups provides the highest amount of dietary nickel? A. Dairy products. B. Nuts, dried beans, chocolate, and grains. C. Citrus fruits. D. White meat. Answer. B. Nuts, dried beans, chocolate, and grains. 48. Nickel absorption in the human intestine is generally low, but it competes with which mineral for transport? A. Zinc. B. Calcium. C. Iron. D. Magnesium. Answer. C. Iron. 49. Which organ is known to have the highest concentration of nickel in the human body? A. Brain. B. Thyroid and adrenal glands. C. Heart. D. Muscles. Answer. B. Thyroid and adrenal glands. 50. Which statement is true regarding nickel in human health? A. Nickel is not present in human tissues. B. Nickel is only toxic, never beneficial. C. Nickel is essential for iron absorption. D. Nickel deficiency is very common in humans. Answer. C. Nickel is essential for iron absorption. If you like this video, motivate us by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you.